Welcome back again to Mr. K production. Now I want to discuss about reassembly. Reassembly, make it together. Now we want to assembly from the net pot. Okay, so we want to make it like this. So we put first, we get the funnel. Yeah, we get the funnel, and then we get one of the net pot, and then we just only put at the bottom, the bottom of the net pot there is a hole, and then we just put one of the hole there, but not in the center, but in the side, at the side, put it inside, and then pull it up, and then put it again on the other side. Okay, put it again on the opposite side. Just put it back again, put it below. Yeah. Okay, here is it. So this is the funnel. If you don't have this funnel, you can also use another tissue. The tissue that can also transfer in the water to the net pot. Okay, so we put it in here, put it in one of the hole, and then we do it again for another hole. Yeah. Okay, next I want to talk about the flannel, the rock wool. Okay, this rock wool, it's like a cube. Okay, it's like a cube, and then I have to divide because I bought the packet of the Wick system. The Hydroponics Wick system is for the 36 net pot, so I have to divide this rock wool to become 36. So in order to make it in a 36 in the correct number, so I have to divide by 2. I divide by 2 first. In order to cut it 36, I have to cut it to become three line in here, 3 pieces. Three parts. Okay, 1 in here, 2. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In here also 1, 2, 3. So in this one, so later on in here also will be cut it by 2 pieces. So in here will be 9, and then here also will be 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. 18. This is another 18 in here. So our total is already 36. So I cut it. The rock wool. Oh yeah, before I continue, okay, we use a metal saw. Yeah, we use a metal saw, so it's more easy for us to cut it the rock wool. If you have another cutter, or you maybe have another knife or maybe a cutter, please also use it. You can use it. It's just only to make it more easier to cut the rock wool. Okay, let's cut again. In here, just only divided by 3 parts. Alright, here, done. Just cut it slowly. Yeah. Okay, done. Here's another one. Cut it to become 3 pieces. Okay. Next. Okay, the last one we have to cut it to become 2 pieces in here. This one. Okay, done. Okay, guys, see you for the next video. Yeah, I will update it for your hydroponic system, hydroponic Wick system. See you guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.